Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, I am Alice and you're welcome to this channel. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you all how to make a cloves oil. Cloves oil contains so many nutrients that are very beneficial for the hair growth. So in this video, I'm going to be showing us how to make the cloves oil. If you watch closely, the video is very detailed to see the process on how I'm going to make it, and I'm going to be saying all the benefits of cloves oil. Cloves are dried flowers of the clove tree, and it is used as spice in our food. So this is something that you can get it very easily in the market, and it is something you can find in your kitchen. So it is very beneficial to the hair because it contains a very good compound called eugenol, and this compound has a potent antimicrobial, antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. It also has antifungal properties, and it is very rich in several nutrients that requires hair growth, such as sodium, iron, vitamins, and several other kinds of nutrients. So guys, before I continue with the benefit of cloves oil, I would like to say at this part of the video that I was measuring the olive oil, I wanted to make it in a very small quantity, but at the end of it I had to make use of all the olive oil so that I will have enough oil that would take me for the number of period that I intend to use the oil. So it depends on the quantity that you want. If you want a very small quantity, that is when you have to measure it with the spoon. But if you want to do it in a large quantity, then you know how to measure it as well. So guys, cloves is also full of antioxidant properties that helps protect the hair from oxidative damage. That is when the hair when there is so much product and accumulation of reactive oxygen in the hair follicle as a result of oxidative stress. So it protects the hair from oxidative damage. And I'm going to be saying out the benefits of cloves oil, which includes it promotes hair growth, and it also adds shines to the hair because it is a natural conditioner that helps to lock in moisture, and it helps reduce split end and frizz. It gives your hair that luster and shiny effect, and it also treats dandruff due to the antiseptic and antifungal properties. It helps you get rid of dandruff, and it also prevents premature graying of hair. We actually know that graying of hair is as a result of aging, but nowadays we notice that even younger people get premature gray hair due to the fact that they go through so many stress and then they have unhealthy lifestyle. So making use of cloves oil prevents premature graying of hair, and it also reduces hair loss. The oil strengthens the hair shaft, which helps promote the growth of new hair. So it helps you reduce hair loss. And lastly, it cleans and soothes the scalp. It is very good, it is very essential because it helps get rid of excess oil, debris, and dead skin cells. It helps you relieve scalp itching and irritation due to the anti-inflammatory properties in the cloves oil. So if you are not using cloves oil, this is a very good time for you to incorporate it into your hair care regimen. So guys, these are the benefits of cloves, and this is the first time I'm going to be trying the cloves oil. I'm going to be trying it for 30 days, and I'm going to be showing you guys the before and the after results. And trust me, cloves is really important, because I'm saying this because I've actually used it. I've used the cloves water on my hair and I've seen a very positive effect. That is the reason why I'm trying the cloves oil now. So if you are not using cloves yet, then you should try it, and trust me, you are going to get a positive result. And if you've not seen my video of the cloves water that I use for my relaxed hair, I'm going to drop the link in the description box. You should go watch it, how I prepare and use it for my hair, and it really gave me a positive result. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please do well to give it a big thumbs up and drop it in the comment section. If you've used cloves oil, drop it in the comment section. Share your experience. How was it? Was it good? Was it bad? Just let us know in the comment section. Let me allow you guys enjoy the rest of the video, and please don't forget to subscribe if you are yet to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, bye. Enjoy the video.